it's Lisa back with a new layout for the Hip Kit Club. So today I'm making a layout, or not today, a few days ago, I made a layout for the Hip Kit Club, and the assignment was to use a favorite products and to follow the sketch from Jen Scout. Yeah, so the sketch was very, very cute, and I was like, when I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, that's going to be cool. I'm really loving this and stuff. But the layout, when I was done, I didn't like at all. I hope you like it, but I wasn't really into this design. It's not really me. I was going for something. I wanted to use the glass jars and baubles, and the things with the snow, but it wasn't really me. But well, I'm still going to explain what I did. Yeah, sorry, the video started in the middle of the thing. The problem is when I'm not really sure what to do and I'm trying stuff, I don't film that, and then I had already everything pretty much ready to go when I started filming. I used the exclusive, everything you see, all the products are exclusive HKC products that came in the November kit. And the ephemera pieces and stickers and stuff are just so cute. So I thought to use the transparent acetate little, it's a bobble, it's a jar, and the other things are snow globes. And I wanted to use those and put some snow and some cute little animals and stuff behind them, or in them. And for the photo, I tried to recreate some kind of a jar or something, um, or a snow globe, and I made this little bottom, or yeah, bottom thing that closes the jar or the snow globe. And so my picture is pretty much where the glass would be. Um, yeah, I glued everything behind the snow globes and stuff, and then I chose the layout of all the things I wanted to put there, and then I went through the embellishments and chose some acetate stars and some stickers, not stars, acetate snowflakes, and some star stickers, and I also punched some pink stars, because I had this pink bottom, this pink snow on the bottom of the page. That yeah, I wanted this pink color also a little bit more on the layout to balance it out, because I have the blue on the snow globes, but I didn't really have any pink. So yeah, and then, as you can see, I stitched the three like snow bottom things. Sorry for my explanations today. It's late. I'm like a little bit tired. And I also used some vellum, which I think is very cool. And then I laid everything down. I took a photo to remember everything, and I thought that the layout still needed some color. So, and I didn't put any gesso before I glued all the stars and snowflakes down. So it was a bit tricky. But if you have this problem and you forget to put gesso and you still want to have some color that you can play with a little bit before it really sinks into the paper and stays like that, you can spray a lot of water on your page, and then the color will float a little bit before it really sinks in, and it stays that way. And then I soaked the rest of the humidity, or the water, I soaked it up with paper towels, and then I could lay down all of the rest of the things. And I thought that the colors were, I love pastel, I do, if you know my videos and my stuff. but I was still feeling that the layout needed a little bit more of a color that would like pop off the page. So I used some red on the bottom and also punched some stars from the same red paper, and yeah, just scattered them around. And then I'm using I don't know if you saw, but all of the glass things, let's say, I glued on some white paper, and then I cut out, leaving a white border. And now I'm using the foam squares to yeah, to let them pop out of the page. Yeah, so and then I'm writing my title, which will be Waiting for Christmas, and I'm using exclusive. Like I said, everything is exclusive, everything you see is exclusive. MK Club. I'm using my letters to write Waiting for Christmas because that was a photo where I was at a Christmas party before Christmas. And yeah, and all the things in the snow globes and baubles should represent all the things you can wish for Christmas. Not really a penguin, but you know what I mean. um, okay, so that's almost it, guys. I'm just putting some Heidi Shine, gold Heidi Shine, on my page, and yeah, we're done. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.